Right, y'all? We are live on this beautiful Wednesday. Blessings to everybody in the name of Jesus, Yeshua, the Messiah. Even if you are not religious, I still pray you and your family are super blessed. And today there is a little bit of a news event coming out within the next half hour. The FOMC minutes recap of everything that happened during the FOMC meeting. The most recent press conference, and this could have an effect on the Bitcoin price, and in my opinion, things are looking a little bit, well, let's just say, dare I say bullish? I don't know. Dare I say bullish? Alright, shout out to everybody in the chat right now. Huge shout out to R Pink. Yeah, we're experiencing a little bit of buff here. A little bit of buff. Let's see how it's going now. Seems like we're back to excellent condition and the stream is healthy, which is really nice. So that's great. Huge shout out to Crypto Carnage. Huge shout out to Simonado. Shout out to Crypto Splashfire Films. He says, nice ninja entry on that long. JC, yes, this was a ninja entry on the long, and this was indeed a trade setup that we gave in the Casper Crew New York Open livestream on August 5th. I told everybody I'm taking along from here because it's such a key level of support. And also, we're in a few other long trades as well, right? This long trade right over here, one of the setups from the Casper Crew VIP Discord was given by myself and Boyan. So we are kind of just chilling right now in this little area of consolidation. Now I'm going to be talking about what I think is going to be happening next with the Bitcoin price action. Major shout out to everybody in the chat. Thank you guys for being here. God bless you all. Shout out to Crypt Infinite, Crypt Finite. Shout out to Jay. He says Bitcoin top is in, expanded flat, 15K lows will be taken out Q4 next year. Shout out to Crypto Mall. Very important day. Get it, man. Shout out to Trade Intuition. He's a lurker, but always smashing the likes. Guys, as usual, if we can get 1,000 likes during the first half hour of the stream, we will be giving away 1,000 USDT. All right, 1,000 likes during the first half hour of the stream. We will be giving away 1,000 USDT. You definitely don't want to miss that. I want to share some of these juicy profits with you guys. And as we can see here, FOMC meeting minutes is happening in about 30 minutes. All right, got a different time zone here because I always trade with a VPN, but more hawkish than usual is going to be good for currency. And this is where basically we're going to get just another reiteration of what's already been talked about. And I do believe it's going to have some effect on the market. And a few things. Let's take a look right now at our Bitcoin chart and just kind of get the overall flavor of what is happening. Also got to shout out the sponsors of the channel. Major shout out to Market Cipher, the best indicator on TradingView. Shout out to CryptoFace. Shout out to Flopping Groper. Shout out to BLOFIN. Right now, guys, BLOFIN is offering these juicy deals. All right, 10% cash back, plus up to $2,000 future bonus. Good till September 19th, plus depending on your trading volume, you could get maybe even a Tesla, all right, if you're some super crazy whale trader. But if you're just a normal trader like myself, you get an Apple Watch, all right? All right, make sure to check it out. Also, guys, I'm trading on MEXC. MEXC, the best deal on fees. By far, MEXC, 0% limit order fees, 0.01% market order fees is, in my opinion, the best deal in the game right now. Also, guys, if you want to join the Casper Crew VIP Discord where we give the juicy trade setups in advance and we have multiple instructors every single day doing live streams, showing you what they're looking for, you can go to jasoncaspertrading.com and click the link to join the VIP Discord, the best trading community in the world, where, in my opinion, the value is unsurpassed by any other trading group. So hop over to the Bitcoin chart and let's discuss why I'm in multiple long trades. As you can see here, I've got about $100,000 on this long trade. I have about not very many dollars on this trade, actually. I guess, yeah, this one I meant to enter with a bigger position size, but did not. And then I'm in another long trade with 60K, and then another long trade with about 50K. So overall, a little bit over $200,000 on the long side for Bitcoin. Looking for a little bit of a move to the upside. I'm going to be talking about why. First of all, we came to this key zone right here. This key support resistance flip at 49.045. And when we hit this level, like I said, I let everybody know in the VIP live stream, this is a very, very key level, because when we zoom out here, specifically on the weekly time frame, we can see that back in January, we had this kind of shooting star bearish candle here, and the high of that wick is the low of this wick. In addition to that, we can take the golden pocket Fibonacci pull from the last major swing low to our current swing high and see that, wow, it's lining up nicely with that Fibonacci golden pocket. And also, if we take the Fibonacci golden pocket from the bull market previous all-time high to the low, it's also that golden pocket. So it's a very, very key zone. And when we started to bounce from that level, we came back down for a retest. And as we came back down for that retest, I'm like, well, it would be dumb of me not to take a long trade from this area, because here we are at key support. It's now or never, right? And so we got the move. And honestly, it was a pretty shocking move. Almost as shocking as this picture of me back in college when I graduated with my degree in trans non-carbon binary emission gender studies. A very shocking picture back in the day. But, you know, a fun fact about Jason Casper, did you know that I am the only trans non-carbon binary emission gender studies major who has 200,000 likes on YouTube? That's right, I have 200,000 likes on YouTube, which is why you should like the video as well. In fact, I'm not the only one telling you this, guys. Check it out. I'm endorsed by
Jason Casper. Let me tell you, that man is something else. A true warrior for change. He's the first ever trans non-carbon binary emission gender standards major to ever reach 200,000 subscribers on YouTube.
So make sure to like the dang stream, guys. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, because we are bringing you the juiciest content here on YouTube. And honestly, if we get 1,000 likes, we'll be giving away $1,000. So we got the bounce, and as you know, we're coming to a very critical level right here, the value area low of this range, okay? If we can close some candles above this area, we're going to get vacuum sucked up to $67,000, which is where my next major take profit is, because we are simply right now trading a sideways range. And obviously there's two possibilities here, right? There's the real possibility that we've broken down from the range and we're going to fail to come inside and break down and make a lower low. But when we take a look at market Cipher B, we have to understand that, for me, this looks bullish. I'll tell you why. First of all, as we are coming down, remember, it's not just an arbitrary level. It is a key zone of support, a major support resistance flip. As we are coming down to this level, what are we seeing on the chart? We are seeing multiple drives of the uneven butt cheek pattern. You have a juicy butt cheek on the left, followed by a skinny, very, very skinny like that waitress at the diner, you know, with the curly hair, and she got the veins popping out of her neck, and she talks like this from smoking too many cigarettes with the Brooklyn accent. We got the uneven butt cheek pattern on the chart, aka a bullish divergence. We go ahead and take these cheeks and pop them onto the chart. This is a bullish divergence right down here, okay? Would you look at the striking resemblance? And then after forming the uneven butt cheek pattern right here, we make another lower low and form another drive of the uneven butt cheek pattern. We can actually take the two different genre of cheek, all right, the actual photograph plus the pencil sketch, put them on the chart together, stretch them out like this, and wow, look at that. That is called a bullish divergence, guys. Now, every time we get a bullish divergence on the daily time frame, it leads to a significant push to the upside. Look at the last time we printed the bullish divergence on the daily time frame. It ended up giving us a 30% move to the upside, okay? So we have a confirmed bullish div, and we're printing trigger waves here, meaning the momentum is continuing to get higher. But most importantly, the money flow is also getting higher here. So what does this mean? Well, in my opinion, this means that I think we can break up above this level, this key value area low zone. And if we do, we have to understand that this is a major support resistance flip right here. So if we can break above and hold this level, this actually is potentially one of the areas I'm going to be looking for a long trade, right? If we get the breakout and the retest of this level, I am definitely going to be looking for something like this to take me up to that $67,000 level, right? This is not an exact entry, but what I'm saying is, if we close daily candles above this level, having confirmed the uneven butt cheek pattern, this is the next trade that I would pretty much be looking for. And if we can make it above 67K, well, dare I say, we can actually go for the highs of this range. Now, people are, Jason, are you bearish or are you bullish? Look, right now we have to trade this chart in the context of a sideways range. Why? Because since February, we've been trading in a sideways range. And so for just, if the trend is your friend, right now the trend is sideways. All right, people were bullish up here, bearish down here. Bullish up here, bearish down here. So they're probably going to be bullish up here again. And maybe they'll be bearish down here again. We don't know. But we have to say to ourselves, if we're trading a sideways range and we have bullish divergences and we're flipping major resistances into support, well, that could be a catalyst for more upside. Now, bring into this the news that's coming up, all right? Jerome Powell, all right? Pretty soon, it's going to be released. They're going to be talking about whether or not the debate, whether or not the Federal Reserve will complete its current course of quantitative tightening, aka raising interest rates. Maybe they're going to start cutting rates in September. A lot of people think they are. And that could actually be a catalyst, along with some of our bullish signs on the chart, to give us that move, that push, maybe potentially back up to the highs of the range. Now, I'm not saying we're going to get there. 67K, I'd say, is pretty much a target for me right now. Okay, 67K, a target for me right now. Let's zoom in a little bit here and see what we got going on. Would you look at this as well? I mean, we have down here at this low, the last major low we made, also on the 1 hour time frame, a uneven butt cheek pattern. Very clear, clear as day. Couldn't be more clear. Got the uneven butt cheek pattern right here. Looking for a move to the upside. We got the move to the upside, and so far we are continuing to make higher lows here. So let's see, we got about half an hour until we get this major release. Now, again, am I 100% bullish? Of course, we can't know for certain what's going to happen, guys. But what we can do is we can trade based on the probabilities. And I'd say if we get some kind of bullish thing that's going to bring us back to close the daily candle above 60,500, upside right now based on the bottomness of this oscillator is, in my opinion, most probable. It's most probable to at least the $67,000 zone. And even if this is a massive downtrend where we have a high or low or lower high or lower low or lower high or lower low, and we make a lower high and then a lower low, you know, look, price never goes straight up or straight down. Let's see what happens here. But we cannot forget the following, okay? We cannot forget the following. We have come up to none other than the Fibonacci golden pocket from this last swing high to the low, right? So let's not forget that as of right now, the reason why Bitcoin has been holding still here is because we are up to this Fibonacci golden pocket, right? That is the reason. That's also the reason why we gave the short trade in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. So you can see I'm still in the short from that area, all right? This is the short trade. We gave the setup in advance. I told everybody I've shorted, right? Just like I told everybody I took this long trade, I also told everybody I shorted. So shout out to the Casper Crew, right? Because look, we're in there riding tractors, talking about uneven butt cheeks, all right? Looking at pictures of 786ya, one of the girls who broke my heart back in high school. And plus, we're taking the juiciest trades, right? So this is resistance. This is why we have come to the area. But I also want to bring up another fact, which is this. Remember, not only do we have bullish divergences at the low of a macro range, and again, it's not an arbitrary level, guys. This is a major support resistance flip from the entire year of 2024 that we came and wicked down to. Now we're forming potentially a bull flag here. Now, if this bull flag does break out, look, I'm not here to say this is going to happen, but I'm telling you, this is how I'm like planning this trade, okay, in general. I'm planning this trade where if the bull flag breaks out, I would like to take profits back at the top of the range, okay? Because of all the reasons I've just given as to why I'm looking for upside, now, if this bull flag does break out, if I could grab this dang trend line and move it, it's going to be taking us back up to the top of the range, right? So let's kind of wait and see what happens. We got about 20 minutes until this comes out. I want to take a look at the order flow on the chart right now to see what's coming up. We had the rejection from the 618 level. Again, as many of us do know, that Fibonacci 618 is in fact my high school crush. Her name is Six Juanita. When I went to ask her out on a date, thinking she was going to say yes, I had grandiose plans. We were going to get matching Ben coin tattoos on the hands and the neck. The two places you never get tattoos if you ever want to have a job. But we don't need jobs, guys, because we're in crypto. All right? But all my hopes and dreams came smashing to bits when she rejected me. Here's a picture of the rejection, the purple candles flowing out from my heart, like my purple tank top. All right, after getting a rejection right from this 618. But here's the thing. In this story from high school, when she rejected me, why did she reject me? It's because she didn't like nice guys, she liked criminals. As you can see down here, Sam Bankman-Fried is lurking around. And when we look at Sam Bankman-Fried's chest, what do you notice about it? The fat is distributed unevenly, the left side much larger than the right side. Similar to the upside down uneven butt cheek pattern, except this is called the upside down Sam Bankman-Fried bearish man boob pattern. One thing I would like to point out about this move into the golden pocket is we do not have the upside down Sam Bankman-Fried bearish man boob pattern when we tapped into this golden pocket, right? As we tap into the golden pocket, we don't see any upside down man boobs here, all right? Even on the 24-minute time frame, as we tapped into that golden pocket, which happened back here, we didn't see any upside down man boobs, right? Remember, the Sam Bankman-Fried man boobs, the left one is bigger than the right one. When we look at what happened, the right one is bigger than the left one. All right, so we didn't even have major top signals here. And so far, all we've done is put in a little bit of a range. And for this reason, I'm feeling like we could break out to the upside. Okay? I'm feeling like we could break out to the upside. Now guys, now look, if we do break out, all right, it's going to be crazy. All right, I could just picture what people will say.
We're pumping, and it's going to be huge. Right to the 6-1 ETA, the biggest pump in the world, and everybody knows it. China knows it, and that little guy from North Korea, whatever his name is.
I could just picture what people will say if we get that crazy pump, all right? Major shout out to everybody in the chat right now. First of all, I got to give a major shout to my man Andy from Bitcoin Census in the chat. Andy from Bitcoin Census. Guys, if you don't follow him, you're missing out. This dude is legit one of, by far, the best traders on YouTube, all right? Showing you his trades, giving you his plans. He trades Elliott waves, all this crazy stuff. A very good analyst, a very good trader. Major shout out to my man Splashfire Films. Major shout out to Divine Hood. He says, bro, this bull flag is suspicious though, as the volume confirmation is not there. We want to see that for a more probable real pattern breakout. That's true, my man. Hopefully we get that volume coming on in here. As usual, guys, if we can get 1,000 likes, we have 1,400 people in the chat. If that's real, I don't know. Might be fake. But we have 1,400 people in the chat. If everybody likes the dang stream, what time is it? All right, we got another 10 minutes. We have 10 minutes to get 1,000 likes. If everybody likes the stream right now, we will be doing a $1,000 giveaway. All right, a $1,000 giveaway. We got about 20 minutes until this news is released here, and I would like to see some nice volatility coming in, and I would really like to see a big push to the upside. I'd like to break past the 6-1 ETA and come up to our $67,000 zone. Is it going to happen today? I don't know. It's a Wednesday. It's a good day for it to happen. Now remember that $67,000 zone is also, if we take the fib from high to low, it's coming in right in between the macro 618 and the 786 level. Now, just so everybody knows about, basically, when you're looking for, if you're in a downtrend and we're getting a retracement and we're going to make a lower high, most of the time will happen between the golden pocket and the 786. All right, the two sisters, the 6-1 ETA, which is the 618 fib. Good chance she'll reject us, but if she doesn't reject us, her older sister, the 786 fib, 786ia, will definitely reject us. All right, look at this gal. This gal, I don't know about that, but she will definitely not go on a date with Jason Casper. All right, she'll just give you that face. You know what I'm saying? That 786ia kind of face. You know what I mean? Yup. All right, so yeah, I do want to take a look at the order flow. Let's see what's happening here. We're going to go to the 15-minute EXO chart. And yeah, so as of right now, I do have to say this, y'all. I do have to say this. As my man Divine Hood has pointed out, open interest is flat, slightly on the decrease here. We are going to need some buyers to come in, man. We're going to need something drastic to happen if we want to see a big push to the upside. All right, this entirety of this little kind of thing we've been forming for the past few hours, we've seen overall traders exiting positions. It's as if the market is waiting before they commit to something. All right, before they commit to something. I'm excited to see what's going to happen here. Do you know why? Because I'm either going to make a lot of money on stream or I'm going to lose a lot of money on stream. And either way, it's exciting. Okay, either way, it is exciting. Shout out to Random. Yep, Andy, Bitcoin Census in the chat. Shout out to Eli Torres, who says, sexy Juanita. People call her Sex Juanita. No, six Juanita. 6, like the number 6. All right. Thursdays are the big moves. Matic is unstoppable. All right. What's my plan if 74K was the top? Peter Sniff. My plan is to cry outside all by myself and feel sorry for myself. Okay? Because look, the truth is, your boy Jason Casper is looking for higher prices on Bitcoin. Okay? I'm looking for higher prices on Bitcoin. And right now, I'm much more long than short. I've got a large spot portfolio waiting until $80,000 to sell. So yeah, I will be sad for myself, guys. But here's my actual plan. My actual plan is this. On the monthly time frame, market Cipher B. If we confirm a monthly dot, not a dot, a momentum wave close below the 60 line. So that happened in January 2022. That's where I will say, I'm out. I'm out. I'm selling. I'm selling Bitcoin that I wasn't planning to sell until much higher prices. That's when I will get out. And I hate to do it, but look, there's a certain amount of money that I definitely want to exit this bull run with, okay? And I was aggressively buying Bitcoin under 20,000. Okay? So for me, even if I'm selling at like 40,000, regrettably selling, I'm going to have to do it, man, because there's a certain amount of money that I must have just for living life. Because here's the thing, okay? Here's the thing. Hang on one second. Yo. We're live. Yeah, do you want to say anything? Do you want to say anything to the people? Do you want to say hey? Oh, here, wait, hang on. Say it again.
What's up?
What did you want to say?
I was just going to say Jason Casper is awesome. He rocks.
He does rock, you think?
Yeah, he does.
Do you think he has a lot of chickens?
I think he has too many chickens, but that's a good thing.
Okay. Thanks. Well, what did you say?
Casper crew all the way.
Oh yeah, Casper crew all the way, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Well, what's up for real? Okay. All right. Sorry, guys. An important phone call about chickens. An important phone call about chickens. Casper crew all the way, baby. All right, Giga Short. Who's in a Giga Short? Is anybody in a short? If you're in a short, put a 1 in the chat. All right, Uger says inside information, dump it. Man, I don't know, bro. We got 13 minutes until our good friend Jerome Powell isn't even really gonna say anything, but until the news comes out, all right, market makers are on the call. That's right, it's the market maker. The market maker telling me to short chicken stock. All right, man, this is gonna get crazier than You guys know, all right? Crazier, you guys know. You guys already know it's going to be freakier than myself. All right, back in college with my trans, non-carbon, binary emission, gender studies major. Okay. Well, that was a crazy time back then in college. Majoring in trans, non-carbon, binary emission, gender studies. Let me tell you. Made a lot of friends. Made a lot of enemies too. Made a lot of enemies as well. But the one friend I did make, as some of you know, is my good friend Barack.
Jason Casper, let me tell you, that man is something else. A true warrior for change. He's the first ever trans, non-carbon, binary emission, gender standards major to ever reach 200,000 subscribers on YouTube.
And so, at least I have him vouching for me. And he put in a good word also for Jerome Powell. Now, he says I have 200,000 subscribers. I don't quite yet have 200,000 subscribers, but you know how the government loves to fudge the data. You know, they love to fudge the data to make things seem like they're real when they're not. So, according to the government, Jason Casper has 200,000 subs. But we need to make the government's model a reality by smashing up the subscribe button, smashing the like button, because we have 3 minutes. If everyone can like the stream in the next 3 minutes, we will be giving away $1,000, guys. Okay, $1,000, 10 minutes until the news comes out, 10 minutes until Bitcoin catapults into the stratosphere. And I either make thousands of dollars or I lose thousands of dollars. Looks like this momentum wave has a little bit more upside here. Oof. Come on, 12 minute. Come on, order flow. I don't know how I'm feeling about this, guys. All right, we'll see what happens. We might go for something like the old Scoopsy Daisy. I'm expecting some kind of a Darth Maul candle to pop in here and give us the old Scoopsy Daisy. All right. And by the way, if you want to trade Bitcoin, BLOFIN is offering the best deal right now, 10% cash back plus $2,000 future bonus. And if you want to trade spot with 0 fees, check out MEXC. Best deal on fees in the world because you can go in and out of spot without paying any fees. And also, if you want to join the best trading community in the world, where we give the juicy trade setups like this short that I'm in right now, gave it in advance, told everybody I'm shorting. You can go to jasoncaspertrading.com to join the most thriving community in the world. All right, let's see. Let's see. We got some ones in the chat, baby. Squeeze these shorts, baby. We're about to get a pump, baby. All right, shout out to Andy from Bitcoin Census. All right. Shout out to Zen. Man, I'm feeling like we could sing the pump song today, guys. I'm feeling like we could sing the pump song today. Shout out to TRT community. He says, Jason, can you give a shout out to my 2 sons, Benjamin and Nathaniel, watching with me? Shout out to Benjamin and Nathaniel. Shout out to TRT, baby. Straight to the dang biceps. All that TRT. Especially the right bicep. Especially to the chest. I'm feeling it, baby. I'm feeling it. Today we're getting the pump. We're about to get pumped, baby. All right, we got the plunger. Smells great. Only used it twice. Smells like poop, but that's what I like. Let's see who else we got in here. Play the pump song. Look, we gotta wait for this news to come out before we play the pump song, all right? We gotta wait for the news to come out, all right? I gotta put back on my Casper crew hat first, all right? Like the stream, says Ayush, and he's also asking for money. All right, well, if anyone has a kind heart, man. All right, shout out to Cyrus Crypto. Shout out to Turpentine Hunter. Shout out to R Pink. Shout out to Splashfire Films. Shout out to Crypto Incognito. Shout out to Daniel Crypto. He left the screen, came back. We got the plunger and the Pikachu hat, baby. That's right. All right, we're waiting for the pump. It's about to happen. All right. I feel it in my bones, guys. You feel it in your bones? Come on. Put a 1 in the chat if you feel it in your bones. Sometimes that bone, the bones, they really do give you an accurate projection of what's going to happen, okay? Sometimes they do. Sometimes they do. All right, shout out to Andy from Bitcoin Census. Shout out to Exit on X. Show your color scheme. It's just purple and blue, man. All right, we got some people feeling it in their bones, baby. Short squeeze soon. Come on, let's do it. Let's short squeeze it. That's what I'm talking about, man. Even Andy from Bitcoin Census is in here talking about the pump. Now, he's a real trader, not just some stupid YouTuber like me. So, if he's saying it, If he's saying it, then it's got to be true. All right. If Andy from Bitcoin Census is saying it, it's got to be true. All right. Let's go, baby. Let's go. All right. Let's take a look at, because we got a few minutes here. We're gonna zoom in real fancy on this order flow. All right. Zoom in real fancy on it. Shout out to Bullish on Parade. His arthritis says it's pump time. That's what I'm talking about. All right. Shout out to Tell One, crypto in beast mode, baby. Shout out to Divine Hood. He says scammers are getting bad lately. Don't be stupid. Use common sense in crypto. Amen to that. Okay, here we go. We're gonna go to this low time frame and see what is happening here locally. Very low volume here. We got longs closing out, shorts closing out. We got a few shorts opening up down at this low, immediately getting squeezed, only to get stopped out at the top. Now we got a few longs opening. Nothing's happening. It's 1:54 New York time. We're starting to get a little bit of a dump, okay? Remember, in about 6 minutes, we got some news, all right? FOMC meeting minutes. More hawkish than expected is good for the dollar. We don't like the dollar. We want the dollar to go down. All right, we want the dollar to go down. So let's go ahead and hang on. Here we go. Let's check out the dollar, the DXY. Oof, the dollar is going down, baby. The dollar is going down, baby. That's what we want to see. All right. At least for a Bitcoin pump, that's what we want to see. Let's see what happens here, guys. Uh-oh, we got some bull dips forming on the dollar here. Not what we do want to see. Uh-oh. Okay, so the dollar's dumping, but the dollar right now is forming something known as the pig nipple pattern. The pig nipple pattern. Let's take a look here. Where's a good picture of the pig nipples? Man, did Google change their pig nipple pattern here? I think this is a decent one. Here we go. Yeah, we're forming the pig nipple pattern on the dollar, which is basically where essentially you've got these pig nipples forming down here like this. And what happens when little piglets drink from those niplets is all the colostrums and the proteins and the growth hormones, they go into those little piglets and it pumps them up. Bam! To the upside. So I don't like this pig niplet pattern forming down here on the dollar. I'd like to see the dollar come lower. I'd like to see the Bitcoin come higher. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Now, here's something that we need to be scared of. Not scared of, but here's something we actually do need to be aware of, guys. All right, time for a little bit of realism. All right, look, in all seriousness, guys, pay attention. Pay attention to what I'm about to say. The reality of the situation right now is this, guys. Okay, we are literally trading in the middle of a range where we do have a local resistance just above us right here at the value area high of the range. And we have local support just below us at the value area low of the range. What does this mean? This means if nothing crazy happens from this news, there's a good chance we do this, and we do this, and then we're right back to where we started, okay? If we're going to get, if there's any trades to be looking to take in the next few minutes amongst massive volatility, it would be something like this. Honestly, something like this, right? Because this is the local support and resistance that we done got. That we done got. All right, we might even just taken out that low from yesterday. Right, these are the two areas right now where we could see a massive, insane Darth Maul type action, okay? If you guys know what I'm saying. So just be aware of this right now on the chart, okay? Be aware of this on the chart. Where's the liquidity? Liquidity right now is literally just above here and below this, right? So that's where liquidity is locally. This is a local range right here. Local resistance, local support. So, you know, most of the time, just the way Bitcoin's been trading lately, these are the two places, honestly, that I'd be interested if I was looking for a day trade right now, okay? And J-Boy Bush says it's actually best case scenario. It is the best case scenario, but here's the thing, guys. How are we going to be sensational on the internet if we're just talking about boring old day trades, okay? So we have to think to ourselves about massive 125% moves in an hour. But then we have to come back down to earth and say, yeah, this is actually probably the best case scenario that's going to happen. So let's see what happens here. All right, let's see what happens here. We got our 2 local support resistances. We got 2 minutes until hopefully we get massive volatility. All right, we want volatility. That's what we want. We're moving chicken coops out in the homestead. All right. Oh my goodness. I have to tell you guys something. All right? While we're waiting for this, I have to tell you guys a story. I had 2 hens that kept getting out of their coop, getting into the gardens and digging up the plants. And so I said, that's it. I'm putting you hens in jail. So I have this other little chicken coop with a run, caged in. I put them in the run. We got a very broody hen. All she wanted to do was sit on eggs. So I decided I'm going to let her sit on the eggs, and we'll get chicks. 3 weeks, 4 weeks go by, and I realized to myself, there's no rooster in that chicken coop. These eggs are infertile. We're never going to get a baby chick. So I took the eggs and I threw them into the woods because they're old. They're 4 weeks old and nothing. Then I put a rooster in there, okay? And the rooster fertilized the eggs. The rooster got busy with the hens, doing his rooster thing, his rooster dance. All right? Rooster coitus, it's called medically. And then what happened was I had to move the eggs from one chicken coop into another chicken coop. And long story short, I go in there today and there's baby chicks hatching. So we got some baby chicks hatching right now in the homestead, baby. 2:00 p.m. Here we go, just in time. Story's over just for the big news. A new hour, a new candle, massive volatility coming into the markets right now. Look at this massive candle happening right now. Oh my goodness, 59,892 and 0 cents. 59,899 and 0 cents. Whoa, my goodness. Let's go down to the 5-second time frame. Here we go, baby. All right, Bitcoin. Come on. Here comes the volatility. Here it comes. Here it comes. Oh my goodness. Look at that massive move to the upside. On the 5-second chart, baby. Here we go. Bam. Look at that blue candle, baby. Boom. Here we go. Pumping on the 5-second time frame. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Look at this, baby. Here we go. Here we go. Bitcoin getting a move. Feeling smooth. Let's check out the order flow, man. We got some... Oh, man. Oh, no. Okay, 1.8 million longs coming on in here. Okay, here we go, baby. Let's get back to our Bitcoin chart. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Again, I'm either going to make thousands or lose it. I'm looking to come up to 63 for my next TP on this one, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on. Shout out to Trader Geo. Pump and dump and pump. Trader Geo, I need your help, man. What do you suggest? What do you suggest? Should I close the long trade, Trader Geo? This is sensational, man. Wow. Shout out to Splash Power Films. If we, all right, Paul says if we hit 63 today, he's going to need a whole habanero. Man, I hope we hit 63 today. Here we go, baby. We're about to get the big pump. Okay, let's get back to our chart here. Oof. All right, we're watching it close. Let's go. Look, we're getting some blue here. Let's check out what. Okay, let's refresh. Let's refresh the old Forex factory. All right, it already happened. Did any news articles come out? 1 minute ago. All right, they've eased modestly. They've eased modestly from the FederalReserve.com. It's just the same thing that they already said last time. All right. Okay, so here we go. Vast majority sees the September cut as likely appropriate. All right, on good old X. Which reminds me, guys, make sure to follow me on X. On Twitter. I hate calling it X, okay? But on Twitter. Make sure to follow me on Twitter. Twitter. All right? Here we go, baby. Looks like the rate cut in September is cooked into the books, baby. And so let's see how this affects the markets. We're looking for that big move up to $63,000. Come on, Bitcoin. Sometimes it takes a little time, all right? Sometimes it takes a little time. But here we go on the 5-second, baby. We are getting some blue, all right? Let's see. Money flow ticking up on the 1 minute. Bullish divs on the 1 minute, baby. Here we go. Bullish divs on the 1 minute. Let's check out our 15-minute order flow chart again. Got a little bit of an increase of open interest up here. Some longs coming in. Got a few longs coming in. All right. Got a few longs coming in. All right. Are we still feeling bullish? Put a 1 in the chat if you're still bullish. All right. Put a 1 in the chat if you're still bullish. All right. Professor says short squeeze. Get ready, guys. I'm hoping for it, man. I'm really hoping for that squeeze to come in. Come on, short squeeze. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. Come on. We can do it. We can do it. I'm smoking the hopium here, guys. But look, put a 1 if you're still bullish, all right? John Van Haren, still bullish. Ultimate Finish is still bullish. The dollar's tanking. That's still bullish. Look at those massive penny moves. Still bullish. FX Goder Fruit is still bullish. Shout out to Pogo Stick 211. God bless you, Pogo Stick 211. All right, Modern Sword is bullish. Matthew Briggs is bearish. The Maestro Magos is bullish. Dutch is bearish. Okay. All right, Michael is the third option. Sideways forever. Kevin Snyder, bullish, baby. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Memory Man still bullish. That's what I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Let's go. And make sure to smash up the likes, guys. Make sure to smash up the likes. I'm feeling like, you guys know what I'm feeling like? I'm feeling like maybe we need to get some different music on here. All right. Maybe we need some different music. All right. We got some. Have I seen Tino's thong tan, bruv? What? What? No, I haven't seen it, man. Okay? I haven't seen it, man. Let's get on some different music, all right? Maybe we need some hip-hop beats in here. Okay, we probably need some hip-hop beats in here. There we go. That's a little bit better, right? We need some hype music in here. There we go. There we go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. This will pump the Bitcoin price. Here we go, baby. Now we're pumping. Look at this. Money flow getting thick. All right, money flow getting thick. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. How are the chickens doing, Crispy 209? Man, we're getting some baby chicks hatching right now. All right, shout out to CH. Shout out to Muhammad. Check the chart on USDT. Is it pumping or dumping, man? Let me know. Muhammad, is it pumping or dumping, bro? I need a new 80s workout. All right. No FOMC meeting. It's just news. It's just FOMC minutes today. FOMC minutes. Not a press conference, just the minutes. And it came out, and it's bullish for Bitcoin, baby. All right, we got some bullish for Bitcoin. All right. According to Zero Hedge, a shirtless guy on Twitter. Shirtless man on Twitter. Man, the internet will take you to some weird places, man. I'll tell you, the internet will take you to some weird places, okay? Look at this, guys. Look, I got into trading, and now here I am. How does this even happen? How does this even happen? It's crazier than the picture of me back in college, all right? All right, here we go, baby. We're starting to pump. See, we needed some different music. Here we go, baby. Yeah, we got some resistance above. Let's see if we can break crypto incognito. Yeah, guys, let's get back to the chart and let's just talk about the reality that the most likely scenario really is something like this, guys. All right. These are actually 2-day trades that I'm personally looking to take right now. Potentially looking more so for the long, actually, than the short. But these are the local support resistance flips because this is the local range. Whenever you have a value area high, confluence with the fib levels, value area low, confluence with the fib levels, those are definitely areas to look for a trade. And also, let's just understand as well that we have liquidity above like this, right? So we could definitely pump and get a fake out, but I'm hoping for a pump and a breakout. All right, here we go. I'm hoping for Bitcoin price to start to fly. Is he walking on a treadmill? No, he's not. Nope, I got a green screen coming out the backpack behind me, a selfie stick coming out the chest, and we're walking straight to 100K, baby. Shout out to Aaron G holding it down with the wrench. Shout out to J-Boy Bullish. Yo, Aaron G, what's going on? Just finished a big back session. That's what's up, my man. We're hoping for this Bitcoin pump right here. We're hoping for a big Bitcoin pump. We're looking for, well, you know, 63,000. Now, on the 1-minute chart, it looks ridiculous, but on the 4-hour, it's not so bad, all right? Let's see what we can get here. Now, again, I just want to caution everybody. We do have resistance above, support below. Don't be surprised if we get some kind of crazy action, all right? Most traders get chopped. So I'm hoping for upside, but I would never open up a long right here, I'll be honest with you. I would wait for lower to open up a long. I would not long this Bitcoin price right now unless we come down into this white box. To me, this white box is a long box. It's a box to long. Why? Because it's the value area low of the range, okay? I will talk like this now. It's the value area low of the range. That's where you look for the long trade. And the value area high is where you look for the short trade, okay? Now don't hate on my accent. Here we go, baby. About to pump. All right, let's put it back on our 5-minute chart. Here we go. Look at these 5-minute candles. Oh, man. Is that looking bullish or what? Looks like something crazy is about to happen right now. Something crazy is about to happen. And I hate to say it, but it looks like it's forming a dang rising wedge. I hate to say it. I hate to say it. But it looks like it's forming a rising wedge. This is a good playlist if anyone likes good music. Alright, look, we're breaking out the bull flag, baby. We're breaking out the bull flag. Let's see. We need the pump song. If we start to pump, I will initiate pump song, alright? Shout out to Aaron G. If you're new to the channel, like and subscribe. Alright? Because we're well on our way to 200,000 subscribers. Shout out to Aaron G. Shout out to Crypto Carnage. Shout out to White Phoenix. Are rising wedges bearish? Textbook says they're bearish, my man. Bearish dip on the 5-minute stochastic. Let's check out our lower time frame market Cipher B. That's the only indicator I care. Lower time frame market Cipher B actually looks like we might get a little bit of a push up. You know? Looks like we might get a little bit of a push up. Do I play music for my chickens? Sometimes. Dollar is diving. Let's take a look at the dollar. Let's take a look at the dollar. Let's lower the music a little bit as well. Take a look at that dang dollar. Oof. Yeah, taking a nosedive right now. That's good for Bitcoin. Come on, man. Yeah, bad for the dollar. That news is bearish for the dollar. Let's see how gold is doing lately. Nice. Gold's pumping. Gold is pumping, man. I love gold. I've been into gold since before I was into Bitcoin. Let's check out the S&P 500. S&P 500, not doing much today, guys. Not doing very much today. Let's check out NASDAQ. Not doing much today as well. But having bounce from key support, just like Bitcoin. Right? All are bouncing from key supports. Alright, we're at 60K. A $60,000 Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's go. Let's break out of this thing. Let's break out of this thing. Here we go. We're getting ready for it. We're getting ready. Here we go. I feel it. Shout out to Christopher Huffman in the chat. This dork looks horny, says Aaron James. Are you talking about me or the Bitcoin price? Bitcoin pumping, it's about to go high. If it don't, then your boy Jay is about to cry. Took a long trade, give it a try. Then we back to the start. Hope I don't cry, and I'm frying every day. Got the eggs in the pan. With my man Aaron says, looking like a man. He says, yo, this dork, he looks so horny. Hopefully my rap is not so corny. But when you're a white guy trying to rap on the internet, man, what you think about that? Coming to the charts, trading Bitcoin every day, sitting down on the treadmill, trying to get paid. Splash Fire Films feels it in his bones. Bitcoin's gonna pump, and then we'll go home, take the profits in the wallet. Can you even spot it? But we're coming straight up into the golden pocket. Yeah, here we go. About to pull the fib from the high to the low, so that we can win. 618, my girl from high school. She broke my heart. She said, Jay, you're a fool. But now, Bitcoin is breaking out. Got the $60,000 and my face is in a pout, because here we go to the upper trend line. Bitcoin price pumping and she's gonna look fine. Oh no, we got a purple candle. Maybe the price will come down to the low, but hopefully we get another big blue. Bitcoin gonna pump, man, what's she gonna do? Chilling here with the plunger on my face. Jay Casper looking horny, bro, what a disgrace. Got the Pikachu hat all over the place, and I'm looking outside. What a menace. Yeah. Shout out to Marcus Cipher, baby. Shout out to ByBit over on ByBit. Shout out to Carl from the Moon. And my man, Crypto. Shout out to 6 Juanita. All right. Man, wow. I'll tell you, I learned how to rap back in college when I was majoring in trans, non-carbon, binary emission, gender studies. And, yeah, this was me back in college. What a worthless degree, I'll tell you. Can't get a dang job with a degree in trans, non-carbon, binary emission, gender studies. But I'll tell you what you can do. You can become the first ever trans, non-carbon, binary emission studies major to achieve 200,000 subscribers on YouTube, baby.
Jason Casper, let me tell you, that man is something else. A true warrior for change. He's the first ever trans, non-carbon, binary emission, gender standards major to ever reach 200,000 subscribers on YouTube.
And that's what we do, which is why you should subscribe to the dang channel, because we are well on our way to 200,000 subscribers. All right? Make sure to subscribe to the dang channel, guys.
Make sure to like and subscribe to Jason Casper. He's the best YouTube trader in the world. He's getting huge. Shout out to the Casper crew.
All right, here we go. Bitcoin about to break out. Bitcoin about to break out. Let's go, baby. Come on. All right, shout out to my man Brandon Keys. He says 63K is the only way. Let's go. All right, let's go. All right, my man Design Aspects, he feels it in his cojones. Shout out to Trader Geo. Shout out to J-Boy Bullish. Shout out to Sono Fargeek. Fagreek. Sonofa Greek. Sonofa Greek. Hey Jason, greetings. Greetings to you, Space Monkey. Bear Div on the 5 second. I don't know, man. I say we're about to break out, okay? But just so that we're not disillusioned here, we must remove our drawings, pull our Fibonacci from the high to the low. Understand that 6 Juanita is only here to break our hearts, guys. Yeesh. Okay? She's only here to break our hearts. She's not playing games, baby. Alright? She's not playing games. Alright. Is Matic pumping? We got some people saying Matic is pumping, baby. Alright. Shout out to Mustard Seeds who says, Yeshua. May Jesus bless you, Mustard Seed. May he bless us all. May he have mercy and favor on us. Alright, here we go. Here we go, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Oh, man. I'll be honest, guys. I don't know how I feel about this, right? I'm hoping it's bullish. Let's go, baby. Come on. The 1 day looks bullish. How's the 12-minute? Could go either way, but it looks like we got a little bit more of a push. How's the 6-minute? 6-minute looking good, man. Let's check out the order flow. Got some longs coming in. Not too many. About over 3 mil. Over 3 million. Uh-oh, there's no real volume coming in. Just a few mil. Yeah, gold is pumping like crazy, man. It's interesting. Everything is being affected except Bitcoin. Look at gold right now. Bam, baby. And look at the dollar right now. Boom, baby. Dollar, boom, gold, bam, Bitcoin. What's she doing? Nothing. Why am I not trading gold right now? All right, here we go. Come on, baby. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. Yes! We hit the 6 Juanita, baby. We come right up to the box of resistance. Let's see how that. All right, we got a few longs coming in. Come on. 9.15 million volume. We got some volume coming in. 10 million longs entering into the stage, baby. Here we go, Bitcoin. Here we go. Oh no, at the 6 Juanita. All right, let's see here. Hang on. Let's see. Oh, come on, Bitcoin. Don't reject from the golden pocket. Don't do it! Come on, Bitcoin. Don't reject from the golden pocket. Oof. Oof. A rejection from the golden pocket. Jake Casper, you fool, you should have taken profit. But I'm holding on to hit new highs. Bitcoin price pumping, hopefully we start to fly. Yeah, now we're pumping again. Bitcoin's hanging out with all her good friends. We got the purple candles, then the blue coming again. Got the rooster outside, getting frisky with the hen. We got the eggs in the coop, about to hatch. Bitcoin price about to call up the dispatch, cause you're gonna need emergency vehicles when Bitcoin pumps about to come through. What do you know? Yeah, and now we're going again. We got a blue candle pumping up, chilling with the hens outside in the chicken coop. Hope you don't step and poop. Got the beat pumping. Here we are in the roof. Yeah, I got the Pikachu hat, I put it on my face. What you think about that? Cause I'm trading Bitcoin every single day. Coming here to the chart, sit down to get paid. Here we are, 7,000 in profit at the golden pocket. Don't know if you spot it. We're about to take a look at the order of flow. Oh my goodness, 14 million longs, what do you know? Got a little bit of bearish CVD coming in, honestly. I mean, just slight bearish CVD here on the TR, like slight. I'll keep this between you and me. We're about to go to the chart and look at the CVD. Got the purple and blue looking right back at me. Looks a little bit bearish if you know what I mean. But hey, now we're coming to the 6-1-8. I said, hey girl, can we go out for pizza? She said, hey Jay, let me tell you, I'm vegan and I am gluten-free too. Then she slapped me in the face. What a disgrace. Jason Casper, get all out of my face. I will never, ever be your girlfriend. Your Bitcoin long is about to end in a dump. In a dump. In a heartbreak, baby. But. What do you know? About to take a look at the order flow. We got 15 mil pumping in at the highs. Hopefully the Bitcoin price starts to fly. Yeah, now we're at it again. We got a 1 minute pump, chilling out with my friends, driving all over the farm in my Mercedes Benz. Got a Maserati like Carl and the Mans. Yeah, hope you get the reference. Bitcoin pumping, going straight over the fence. Hopefully we can climb even higher. The Bitcoin price about to spark on a fire. Cause when we take a look at gold, she starts pumping but the Bitcoin's getting old. Then we take a look at S&P, a little bullish candle if you know what I mean. Yeah, Bitcoin's at it again. Price ripping through the fence, rejecting, oh man. Whoa, it's not looking so good. This golden pocket is giving us some resistance, all right? It is giving us some resistance, okay? It is giving us some resistance. All right? Let's pop onto the order flow again, put on rect. We got some liquidations. Got a few short liquidations at the highs again. Man, okay, so here's the deal, guys. Look at this. Right now, we literally have 10 million, almost 10 million people who long the exact top. Actually, over 10 million longs who literally long the exact top. All right, 8. Basically like 13, 14 million longs who literally long the exact top. If we lose 60,000 to 20, we're dumping like a wild lady in distress, okay? I don't like the way this is playing out, where you have literally all these longs at the top here. Okay, we need to hold above this yellow part right here. We need to stay above that. All right, we need to stay above that. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. Let's check out our chart here. Let's go to the 1 hour. Wait, this is not Bitcoin. Crap. Hang on. Okay, yeah. So we haven't hit value area high yet. I think we can hit value area high at least here. But man, why are people longing like this in the golden pocket? That's a little bit dangerous. A little bit dangerous. Dangerous. 64.50. 64.50. All right, if we get through this golden pocket, man. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Everyone wants to short. Let's take a look at market Cipher B before we short, all right? it's not the best signal in the world, but it is resistance, right? So obviously, if we're going to take a short, this is the place to look. Personally, I am not shorting this. Reason being, because I'm already in shorts already, and I don't want to risk it here. I don't have the best confirmations in the world, baby. All right, I don't have the best confirmations in the world. Actually, believe it or not, I'm in a short from a little bit higher than this from the setup we gave in the Casper crew on Monday. So we gave a short setup on Monday, and I did take that short, take a little TP. So I'm not in a rush, but this is definitely a resistance, guys. And if we can break it, come on, Bitcoin, can we break it? Hang on, look, I can't even do anything on ByBit right now because my dang IP address is restricted. You know? I better relocate myself. Mexico is my favorite place to trade from. Here we go, baby. Make sure to smash the dang likes, guys. All right, make sure to smash the likes. Here we go. Here we go, baby. All right, we're pumping, baby. Here we go. Now I think we just hit into the value area high here. Let's check it out. Yeah, we're at value area high. All right, I'm gonna take a little bit of profit here, man. Just a little bit here. There we go. Taking a little bit of profit out, guys. All right, at value area high. Can't go wrong paying your dang self, all right? $2,000 a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. That's what they say, all right? That's what they say. So now we can pump, baby. Come on. And, of course, let me mitigate risk here a little bit. Just move that stop loss to the N3 to protect my $2,000, my $4,500. All right, baby, now we're pumping. All right, now we're gonna come back up to our next area up here, $63,000. We're gonna hit another TP, baby. Okay. Still also long from in multiple long trades as well, guys. From the setups in the Casper Crew VIP Discord. Told everybody it's already open. Already open on this long trade, baby. Right from 54,900. I guess 54,500. Yeah, 54,500. There were two setups here. This is the one I was in at the time. Bam, baby. All right, now we're pumping. We felt it in our bones, guys, and we were right. We felt it in our bones, and we were right. Let's go. Let's go. Gold possibly rejecting at the golden pocket. I don't even know how to use YouTube anymore, guys. I don't know how to use YouTube anymore. How do I even put on the pump song? How do we put on the pump song? Here we go. Here we go. The pump song. Guaranteed to pump the price every single time. Guaranteed to pump the Bitcoin price every single time, baby. All right. We are here to pump the Bitcoin price. All right. This song, called the pump song, pumps the Bitcoin price every single time. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do, baby. Let's pump! Yeah! Whoa. I should have warmed up my voice first. Here we go, baby. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump. We're gonna dump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Yeah. Let's pump! Yeah! Here we go! We're gonna jump, now we're gonna pump! We're gonna jump, now we're gonna pump! We're gonna jump, now we're gonna pump! Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go! We're gonna jump, we're gonna jump, we're gonna jump, pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go! Yeah! Alright, baby. This is the moment we've been waiting for! This is why we were live today, baby, to get the pump! Sure, we're still in the same range we've been in for 2 weeks. Sure, we're not really pumping too much. But you know what? We're here. We're together. We're long. We're pumping. We got the plunger on the face. We actually are pumping quite a bit here. Wow. Wow, look at that pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. We're gonna dump. We're gonna dump. We're gonna dump, no we're gonna pump. Pump the Bitcoin, baby, let's go. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin, baby. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin, baby. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin. Yeah, we're pumping Bitcoin. Yeah, we're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump. Yeah, we're gonna dump. No, we're gonna pump right now. All right. Sometimes it has a delayed effect, guys. All right. Yeah, it pumps the price, man. Okay, let's check this out. Let's not forget where we're at, guys. We are at a little bit of resistance right here. How does market Cipher look? 12 minute. The div isn't validated on the 12 minute here. We do have money flow divs though. It's pretty... I don't know, guys. Like, I'll be honest. This is not a clear signal for me, so this is not like an obvious short setup. Like, this up here was an obvious short setup because all my confirmations were... This one's iffy. If you're taking this one, you know, you do it, but you do it with good risk management, right? You're risking 1% to potentially make 2.5% on this one, right? Risking 1% to make potentially 2.5% on this one, all right? Shout out to Aaron G. He said drop a like for the pump song, even though Aaron G hates the pump song, all right? Shout out to my man Aaron G. Shout out to Jared. Shout out to George. Wow, we got 1,600 people in here, guys, but we only have 800 likes. Let's see if we can't pump the likes up to the watchers. This is such a key level, guys. If we break this resistance, I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you. We close a daily candle above this resistance. I'm telling you. We're going to pump. 63K is in the books. The order books. In the order books. All right, let's see what happened here. Okay, so the good news is, guys, like, we have a lot of long volume come in here. We literally have about 15 million longs who opened up right here. So support right now, 60,250. 60,250, as long as we hold above 60,250, that's a lot of volume coming in, 31 million on an increase of open interest. We haven't really seen much like that this entire day. All right, all these big volume candles are on decreases of OI. All right, so let's just kind of see how she plays. It is resistance, all right? That might be all we get. But that was worth it, guys. All right, it was worth it. It was worth it. I shout out to my man who dropped it like 3 times already. This is old school Jason Casper music. This is like the old school music I used to use back in 2022. Jason Becker, I can't play straight to 100K right now, honestly, because my voice is just not warmed up enough, man. It's just not warmed up enough. So, I don't know what it is. Maybe I've been talking too much all day. Wow. This is crazy, guys. This is crazy. I've been walking a lot today. I did a lot of walking today. I did a VIP stream. I had to take my son for a walk. I was out in the homestead. Look at this. I'm up 36,000 steps on the day, baby. Is that not crazy? That's crazy. 36,000 steps, all right? That's a lot of steps. I could eat myself a dang extra cheeseburger because of that. That's crazy. It doesn't feel like I've gone 36,000 steps. But that's what happens when you sing the pump song. Shout out to Black Swan. Shout out to Lucas Patterson. Anybody that didn't enjoy the pump song, what's wrong with you? Well, some people hate metal, and also I have really horrible metal vocals as well. Shout out to my man, Memory Man. Memory Man, a great musician. If everyone, go search for Memory Man. Memory-man. If you're into some really amazing, progressive, heavy-ish, instrumental, amazing music, alright? In fact, why don't we jam some Memory Man right now? It's a good idea. Make sure to subscribe to Memory Man. There we go. I must be hungry. I'm really not. I'm not that hungry. That's what's weird. I'm really not that hungry, you know? 36,000 steps. Yeah, that's crazy. Let's eat raw garlic while we trade. Yes! Yes! Let's do it, man! I'll be right back. Let's get some raw garlic, fresh from the homestead, alright? Fresh from the garden. Alright. Fresh from the garden. Let's do it. Raw garlic will make you too pro. Trust me, I'm a pro, okay? Just eat one little clove. You guys smell that? Smells good, right? You guys want some? I love me some raw garlic. Yeah, guys, this is Memory Man, alright? This is Memory Man. Go search him on YouTube, alright? If you're into this music. Shout out to Trader Geo. He says no more kisses from Big Butts 28. I'll have to sneak some garlic into her dinner as well. That way we can kiss each other all night. Is the music too loud? Alright, we'll lower it a little bit, alright? We'll keep it as the background music. But now you guys know what it's like, alright? Now you guys know what it's like. Yeah. I'm sleeping in the trading den tonight. Man, I'll tell you. Alright, Big Butts 28 loves my odors. Alright, come in there with the armpits smelling. The breath all garlicky. She's like, oh, Jason! That's what I love! That's why I married you, babe! For your armpits and your garlic! She loves it when I sweat the garlic out my dang armpits. She just can't get enough. Alright. Would I give away 1,000 USDT today? Well, we don't even have 1,000 likes. Alright. We don't have 1,000 likes. So let's try next time, alright? How much for a clove I'll pay in sats? Man, I'll give it away for free. We got so much garlic in the dang house. We have garlic from... Well, we put that out in the gardens. We still had garlic from 2022. But now we still got garlic from 2023. This is from 2024. Right? This is some really good garlic, I'll tell you. Like, it's really not that... It tastes almost sweet. It tastes almost sweet. you know? All right. Well, is Bitcoin going to pump or what, guys? We're waiting for a pump. What's going to happen? Put a 1 in the chat if you think we're still going to pump, all right? Put a 1 if you think we're still going to pump. We have 1,000 likes. That's true, we have 1,000 likes. It took an hour and a half. Do I use leverage? Oh yeah, I use leverage. I use mad leverage. Tons of leverage. This is 35x. So much leverage. Alright, so a lot of people think we're still going to pump. Have I done a slow bake garlic bowl? Yeah, all the time. You know what I love to do? One of my favorite home-cooked meals off the farm. Well, I shouldn't say home-cooked meals, but home-cooked food items is potatoes sliced up nice and thin, and I bake them, with the garlic smashed on top of them. So dang good. Like you could a little circle of potato, maybe like this thick, and then you crush a clove of garlic, put that on top, bake it in the oven, put some salt, a little bit of Celtic sea salt on there. Fantastico. It's fantastico, just like a Dolores at the diner. All of a sudden, she became an Italian woman. All of a sudden, she used to have a Brooklyn accent, but now she's Italian. Alright, looks like a lot of people are going to pump. So, are we rejecting from a symmetrical triangle? Maybe. But, alright guys, look. We are at resistance. Bitcoin's pumping. I'm going to head out. I'm pretty sure once I head out, then we're going to get a massive pump. But hopefully, Lord willing, I'll be back tomorrow, the next day, or whatever. And we will be watching this, because I do believe this could be the start of something big. So with that being said, may God bless everybody in Jesus' name. Even if you're not religious, I just pray that the Lord blesses you in multiple ways. And yeah, I will see you guys later. God bless and peace.